see what you got going on.
Obviously, this color's ugly, but
I want to make some. I think I want to make a YouTube video and let them people know what stuff I just added to my long-term portfolio. I added some JEPI.
I erased Instagram and Reddit from my phone.
Okay. 10 ding divided by 25. Okay. Oh shoot, the market's open. Alright, let's get it. XLK, XLF, XLY, XLV. Set up on the iPad. Pre-market high, pre-market low, 200 EMA. I want to see if we come to this level. What is supply?
S&P is up 0.14%. Nasdaq is up 0.19%. The Dow is up 11%. Russell's up 60. VIX is down.
We got some red though, so I don't know. See this red? All the stars looking red right now. XLK might do a little turnaround. I'm just trying to fix this right here. Alright. Chart. Sectors. Yeah, okay, XOK is going up strong right now. Let me just mark this. Okay.
As well as QQQ. When a QQQ's top holding, Apple is up. Tesla's pushing off the open.
On the 1 minute chart, the 200 EMA is at the top. Is at my 5 minute open range.
It's getting rejected from the 200 EMA on the ES.
That's the top of the 5 minute opening range.
fire, right? Fire. All right, let's get back to business. This would have been a good trade on Tesla. Look, break the pre-market high, wait for that pullback, take it to the previous day high, out.
Oh, you know your boy already did that. Scarface.
Yeah. Uh-oh, what's this? See, this starts to happen. Now, what if I'm trading live? I'm bouncing back to...
You gotta have both your screens ready.
It's crazy. That's crazy.
Man, this looks
Look
like...
at it. This is crazy. What if I need this?
I think because you're doing too much things on the computer right now. You got all them tabs open, you got the music on.
It's a Mac Pro. It's supposed to handle all of this.
It's a year late though. It's a year behind.
Do you know how much I paid for this, yo?
Yeah, I was there. Yo, this is chop. One of them choppy days. The move ain't gonna come till later. But I'll be here though. So, wow, this thing is just chopping around, doing nonsense. Yo, for me to make $10,000 a month on my dividend stocks that pays me, in the beginning of every month, I have to invest 1.2 mil. So 1.2 mil to make $10,000 a month from my the stock I've been buying in my long term portfolio. And if you just reinvest that $10,000 every month into it, it's gonna compound. You got to get out on the expansion, right? Your Apple's just been consolidating on the higher time frame. Good thing I got out when I did. I got out like right here. Oh man, we're coming to test that 200 EMA again. Top of the open range. Projection, rejection. Now this would be a good trade if we could break and retest this right here. Targeting pre-market high or something. Oh, XOY is booming. That's why that thing. That's why we got this green on ES. Let me pull it up real quick. You gotta get out on the expansion. Right?
On the push to the upside or the downside.
Yo, when I was driving yesterday and I was thinking about that interview, I was like, yo, he's just saying that just to sound fancy. You know what I mean? You could just say, like, you're just looking to catch a good move and then get out. And he said expansion.
Somebody who he admires and respects probably said it.
Yeah.
He just incorporated into his jargon.
He was like,
which is fine.
Could we do the same thing? I look to get out on the expansion. You know, that's one of those things. You know, when people just say nonsense and then you just repeat it. That's one of those things. Let's see this price action.
Oh man.
What?
Oh man, that Tesla trade would have been great. It just broke previous day high and now it's in expansion. No, and it's going.
Let me look at it. Oh yeah, you already know your boy traded that today. You already know he traded that. I'm looking to take this on a spy. I just need a little retest. Hang on the ES. Alright, let's see if we retest it. Come on, man. Yeah, this is chop, man. Oh, man. You got in on that?
Yeah, I'm down on the Tesla.
It's overextended though.
I know.
I wanted to take this trade, but it didn't work out. Catching top and tails. Catching top and tails. Top and tails.
I was up for a second. As soon as I was going to get out of it, it just. All right, I gotta get out of this. This is too much.
It's pulling back too much.
But I saw this break right here, and I was gonna get in here, but I was paying attention to other stuff. That's okay.
Yeah, yo, this is chop. This is chop. Look.
There's no setup yet. Is that a poops?
Mm-hmm. These are the days to be extra cautious. Yo, your boy probably got in on the pre-market high retest. Once he retested the pre-market high, I know he probably saw that. I was like, oh, I'm in on this. Took it long and just held it. Look at ES doing nonsense. Let's see what Bitcoin doing. Oh, that's a nice level on Bitcoin.
You looking at the crypto market?
Yeah. Let's see what we're doing right now with I'm looking at this right now on this little 3-minute chart. Let me see how I look on a 2-minute. Okay, I like how this looks on a 2-minute. I'm gonna see us break this 200 EMA right here. Yeah, break that 200 EMA. now. 6:38.
Okay, what's going on here?
Dang, look at that. Dang, yo, what's going on up there? Dang. Yeah, this. Good thing I didn't get in on this. I just had a feeling like this just wasn't like. This price action looks a little too wild for me right now to want to get in on a trade. If I'm gonna get in on a trade, I'm gonna have to. I don't think I'm looking for a break and retest. It's gonna have to be like a getting in long or short at a certain level.
Apple and Microsoft is in diversion. Nvidia and Google is in a diversion. XLF is selling off. XOK is consolidating.
Yeah, if I'm gonna take a trade right now, it's gotta be at a. Oh, hold on, what did I just do? If I'm gonna take a trade right now, it's gonna be. I gotta fade one of the extremes. Because we just broke and retested 200 EMA and a 5-minute opening range and just pure garbage.
This is a perfect example of why you shouldn't get in on when something's overextended, especially when you see it play out. Wait for the next setup. Or if you're gonna do that, you gotta scalp it quick because I was in profit. I was in profit and I could have scalped it.
I wanted to take that break and retest, but the price action was a little too wild for me. And then we keep, for some reason, every time we go up here, we keep like selling off. I wonder what it is up here. Every time we come up here recently. What is it up here that keeps making it drop down? Nothing significant for me.
It's a spot.
Yo, everybody got their character, man. You know what I'm
Character.
saying?
Alright, so look at this. This is why there's no trade. Look at this. Didn't break out of the range, didn't break out of the range, didn't break out of the range, didn't break out of the range. Diversions. See that? Diversions.
I know. When I wanted to take my trade, XLK was up and XLF was down.
So between the both of us, only one trade was made, and that was me. I did an overextended play on Tesla. Got cooked. Paid the price.
Yeah.
Perfect example of wait for your setup. Go to the Tesla chart real quick to show them.
There you go. With all the key levels and everything. See, look.
All right, so right on that, you can hover over it on the 947 candle where it was overextended clearly. You see it? That's where I got in, looking for an extra push, which I should have waited for the setup. Showed them, hover over the setup, the initial setup I should have waited for. Right there.
This one.
Okay.
This one or this one? This right here?
Both of them was good. If you miss those, you have to wait for the next setup. I got in on the, as it was overextended, looking for a bigger move, and you pay the price for that. Everybody knows better than that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this is a good indicator. I didn't even have to. Just came and just everything was set up.
What was that?
I was expecting another good day because the past couple of days been real good days, but when
It just didn't set up yet. It's probably gonna come later. You know?
Yeah,
Because look how XLK is starting to push like XLF. You see?
Mm-hmm.
So give it some time. And if another hour or so goes by and it doesn't set up,
Set some alerts and walk away.
exactly. Look at this. Tell me if this starts to break out in there. I'll be right back. You know what to do. Oh!
Mm-hmm. Where you going?
Downstairs, look for a beverage.
Dad, oh, come back, look quick. I'm so serious. Look.
Wow.
Right when he walked away.
That's crazy.
I saw it on Bookmap.
What'd you see on Bookmap?
All these, that huge spike. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Right when he walked out. But this ain't nothing though, man. This looks like garbage.
Could be a fake out.
There's a little bit of liquidity at my supply zone from yesterday. Just resting there. What's going on with the sector? Well, XLF is consolidating. XLK just broke out the 5-minute order range. XLY has been moving all day. It's been the top mover. XLV is getting a little bit of bounce. need your flatten button, man.
Why? Try to get out quick?
Yeah. Cause that little push right there would have been a good little push to get out at. Dang, I missed this, yo. Hold on, let me see something. If I would have gotten right here. Oh, nah, I would have got cooked. Because my normal stop loss is even if I was trading with the 5 point stop loss, yeah, still got cooked.
I meant to just sell 4. I mean,
You got your position?
yeah. But I meant to just sell.
Are you trying to take some runners?
I was trying to leave some runners.
Let me see. Don't ever use that tool. I say, I'll never see you use that tool. Let me see your phone. Pretty good. Yeah. Recovered from the Tesla trading.
Look at this. Let's see. I would have been broke even right now. It's bouncing off of my entry. So what is this? What does this tell me? If this is a 6 what? What's the ratio?
That's a 6 to 1.
What's that 3 though?
It's 6.31.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Ah, see, I wanted to leave a runner.
That's a nice price action candle.
All right, that's it. I took enough trades. I took 3 trades. I took 2 shots at Tesla, and then I did this SPY.
You done for the day now?
No, we trade all day, man. That's what we do. We traders, yeah. Market ain't gonna cook me. I cook the market. Watch my runners. And this is the other thing about position size. If I didn't go in heavy, I could have stayed in. I could have handled that pullback. But whatever. I want to see if it's going to hit
Pre-market high?
pre-market high. What's previous day high?
Previous day high is in that supply zone.
So on the SPY, previous day high is 632. Pre-market high is 631. So let's see if it at least makes it to previous day, a pre-market high. What bookmark saying? Bookmark.
I don't know, we keep rejecting this level right here. I believe if we burst through this level right here, we could go to pre-market high.
Alright, I need a drink. You want a drink?
Nah.
Tea? Coffee?
I had a water bottle. Where is it?
Right there.
Oh.
Tell me if there's any action. You know what to do.
Yeah. nothing really popping off here right now.
How we looking?
Pulling back a little bit.
Oh man.
What's that right there?
Burger. I would have been stopped out.
Today was a little tricky day, man.
Which one is F? This one?
Yeah,
Which one is K? This one?
yeah. Yeah, this was a little tricky day, man. Alright, let me see this. Now, we're starting to sell off to the 200 EMA.
What's pulling the market back? Finance? They're putting on orders to the downside on Bookmap?
No,
What's this right here?
that's buyers.
Yeah, passive orders.
Passive buyers, yeah.
Liquidity. Forget about it. They're putting on liquidity to the downside, right?
Mm-hmm.
Where's the melatonin?
It's in your room.
I think I'm gonna take one. Yo, I would have been stopped out, yo.
Yeah, this price action is doo-doo.
says, look how much you said I made for the air.
Hold on.
Here.
Wait, hold on. I might take a trade. Let me see how this plays out. Yo, this is garbage. Let me see how much you made here.
Imagine if this was real.
Yeah, that would be crazy.
It will be next year, though.
I don't understand why this price action is so garbage. Alright, man. Let me just walk away from the screen. Let me set some alerts. I put alert right here. Put alert right there. See, walk from screens, man. Yo, why you guys isn't my bed next to my clothes, man? Oh, man. The stream is still up. I'm just... Dude, I have to get away from all them charts. Things bother me. This is the worst price action in the world. People still trading hymns. Is this a bull flag? That is a bull flag? Look. Is this a bull flag? What are these little green lines you have right here?
Previous day high, previous day low.
This.
Don't touch my stuff, man.
What little green lines you have? Yo, I'm trying to see.
Come on, man.
I'm trying to see. Yo, man. What's that indicator? You got an indicator you hiding? You got an indicator you're not showing?
It's the same one you found. It's just a same beep, beep.
Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Every time? Beep, beep.
Yo, this thing is glitching out, man.
You said beep, beep. Alright, the stream is still on now, you know. But there ain't nothing going on today at all.
What's down there? I'm gonna go to sleep. I took a melatonin. I took a melatonin. I took a melatonin. Let what? What happened? You see a short setup?
I don't know.
Anything good?
I don't know.
Why are you getting so hyped? What's going on?
Mm. I got in on this. You hear me? I heard you, man. Oh. Yo, why was today trading like that today, man?
Did it stop you up?
Yeah,
It did.
yeah.
Were you in before I said be careful?
Right before you said it.
Damn. This thing reversed hard. Apple is holding this thing up. Apple is so strong.
Man, today was such a tricky day to trade, yo.
Mm-hmm.